Right, so here we go. James has kindly let me have a go with his Sky Sword. So this is the 6S version, the much improved version that we've flown. And we can't get enough of it because it really does have enough power to really scoot it around the sky. The 4S version was a bit poor in hindsight. So here we go. So sorry James, I got a gear.
Yeah,
and
gear on that one.
Flaps on that
Flaps
one.
on that one, yeah.
It's always good to know. Right, here we go. Right, can you stand back?
So much more pokey than the 4S version, isn't it? So much fun, I love it. Start thinking about bringing it in on the next one. So Dom was doing a great job at talking me in through the landing earlier. So
yeah, so it's important to make this turn a little later, I would just say. And then hold the nose up.
very nice.
Fantastic. That is definitely one of the best models Hobby King's ever done. I think some people would disagree with that, but we think it's absolutely fantastic now that it's on Success. It really does motor around the sky really, really quickly. So there you go. It's a winner, isn't it, James?
I love it, definitely.
I hope they keep making this one. I have actually seen the 90mm version you can get, which I haven't seen in stock for a while. I have seen somebody put a P20 turbine in one of those, and I'll put the link to that in the video description. But absolutely fantastic. So thanks very much, James, for letting me have a go at that. It was a lot of fun.
No worries.
Okay.
Thanks for not pressing it.
Would I do that? I'd feel so bad if I'd done that. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.